A few changes now. An extra light fitted. Some more detail. And the new boiler module. Quite pleased with that. The coal bunker, and that's the plate for my boiler when I find the right one. It's going to be a vertical one, I think. Give me room there. And there's the wiring. It all works on 12 volts AC of a transformer. Just a bit of a technical video this, really. Well, technical, showing how I'm cobbling it together anyway. And a bit of, I don't know, self-praise, what would you call it? I put a little letter E on there. I don't know if you can see it on the wet grindstone. Well, I'm quite pleased with it. And these little tools. It's a bit of a challenge to find the right vertical boiler to go there. I think one from Pendleton's is a favourite at the moment. But it has to be interchangeable with this one. So I can use it on either setup. The boiler module has of course to be interchangeable with this one, so I can use one on either setup. But as you can see, my trusty friend is giving me all sorts of advice which ones to choose. Because he really doesn't want to go for a haircut, which he badly needs. He's called Floyd. Bye, Floyd.